Hello viewers and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. Today I am coming out with another power-packed spiritual tips for you that will help you transform your life, that will help you neutralize the works of the enemies and manifest prosperity, riches, abundance and favor, and clear off satanic arrows and attack that have been standing as a blockages to you. Yes, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, don't forget I am Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. Welcome to our YouTube channel. On this channel we share divine knowledge on how you can use natural materials connecting to their spiritual energies, frequencies and vibration, backing it up with the word of God and the spring seal of the name of the universe and our ancestors to help yourself solve some life challenges and issue. Yes, we talk spirituality on this channel. You have to become a bona fide member of this channel because I called it a family by subscribing to my channel. How do you subscribe? Look at the right hand side of this video down below. You will see a red subscription button. Click on it and put a notification bell to all so that whenever I upload a new video, once you will be notified with immediate effect. God bless you as you do so. To my returning subscribers, double thumbs up. And to the universe and God Almighty and to my ancestors above my head, and I say thank you for everything you have done. And to you out there that God has visited and blessed as the result of this channel through one tips or the other, please do not hesitate to share your testimony, because several calls are coming, several calls of testimony. I know some people are shy to put on their testimony on here, but I can confidently tell you my God is doing wonderful. Yes, he's doing miracle on this channel. What am I going to be teaching you today? This is on how you can use your early morning urine to repair evil arrows, bad luck, to cleanse your room, your vicinities, your well-being, yes, your environment. Some people, what they are suffering today is as a result of bad luck. A lot of people, what their problem is you have been a sign of negative energy in that your house that you are living, and they come in form of wall bracket or in form of a spider. Yes, spider, you see cobwebs all over your room. Even though that room you sweep it every day, you use your fleet for ants every day, but all the same, whenever you come inside your room and look at your sitting room, you look up, you will look up, you will find a cobwebs 4 edges of your sitting rooms. And when you remove it, if you still come back tomorrow, you are going to see the cobwebs there. It is not ordinary. That is a negative vibe. And when one's cobwebs or wall bracket are always in your life or in your house, or you are suffering from cobweb spirit, wherever you go, you see cobwebs holding you. Even when you are in the public place, even when you go to the market to purchase something, where people are, cobwebs will be holding you. In the spiritual realm, they are trying to tie you down. Yes, but I am here as God has given us the grace to speak, and it shall come to pass. If you watch this video to the end, at the end of this video, I will tell you how to cleanse your environment from the spirit of cobwebs and from the spirit of wall bracket that bring delay, that bring blockages, that bring stagnation. When once you are experiencing cobwebs anywhere you go, or when once in your house, wherever, even in your room where you sleep, when you look at the ceiling board, you find cobwebs on the ceiling board. When you look at your POPs, you find cobwebs on your POPs. And you use incense, medicine for incense. Yes, medicine for mosquito, for cockroach, for cobwebs. After spraying it in your room, that still remains there. It is not ordinary. If you are experiencing this kind of issue, now this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Yes, the spirit of cobwebs, how to put an end to that negative vibe that has been extracting your glories, that has been extracting your finances, withholding your blessing, causing blockage. But before I go in to tell you how you are going to use your early morning urine, because with your early morning urine, I'm telling you, you are good to go. We or every human being on earth used to urinate. Urine is another spiritual, powerful materials that has a lot of spiritual energies and vibration in cleansing, in destroying the works of the enemies. You can use relief to manifest prosperity. You can use your urine to manifest love. You can use your urine to manifest open doors. You can use your urine to return back to sender to any utterances or enchantment of any man or any woman that is having effective in your life. You can use your early morning urine. I am talking about early morning urine, not the urine that you urinate after waking up. That urine that you pass out by 5 a.m. or 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. Not when you drink water in the midnight and you wake up around 2 o'clock, you go and urine, you say that one is early morning urine. That is not early morning urine. That particular urine that you pass out when you wake up, piss inside a container. Yes, when you wake up in the morning, piss inside a container. This particular recipe is best done early in the morning by 7 a.m. in the morning. Yes, that is when this recipe is best done. But before I go in to tell you how you can use your early morning urine to drive away negativities of cobweb spirit that is making you not to move forward, I would like to introduce my product more. It is called Walk and Chop. Yes, if you are just coming in contact with this face for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is pure spirituality. We share recipes, we share spiritual tips, we share spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your life issues and torment, using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural herbs, and using the power of God, the power of the universe, and the power of our ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips. And on here we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people who are watching me on here, who are my fans all over the world, they can testify on this, that my spiritual product are tested and trusted. I can beat up my chest because a lot of testimony has been coming from my customers, from my fans that has been patronizing me. We have the spiritual cleansing detox in case you are under severe attack. We also have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the crowd pulling soap. We have the favor soap. Yes, we have the love and attraction soap. And we also have the back to sender soap. The last but not the least, we have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft problem dissolver. You are here watching me and you have the moving object in your body. You have contaminated negative energy through your dreams, through having sex in the dream or eating in the dream, and it has resulted to another thing in your life. You don't have rest anymore. You are sick in the morning and okay in the afternoon. You have been going from churches to churches, from one prayer house to the other. Go no more, search no more, because the solution of your problem is here. If you have moving object or you have eaten something in the dream and from time to time you feel something is walking all over your body, don't hesitate to call my number on this particular spiritual detox called Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. My number is +2347088136610. And if you have been doing some spiritual works on your own, you have some life issues or challenges, or you have been doing some spiritual works to solve your problems, and all the same, your problem still remains the same, please, you feel free to contact me. Let us join faith together and solve your problems. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you as you continue with me. Yes, on today's PowerPoint information, It is all about cleansing your home, cleansing yourself, cleansing your environment for any negative energy. Negative energy are sort of cobwebs and wall bracket. When these things are in your house, they bring blockages, they bring disappointment, they bring failure. Nothing good comes into your life. When you do business, that business will fail. This is what you are going to do. Use your early morning urine to sanctify your place. Use your early morning urine to cleanse your environment and to cleanse your home. This is how this works. When you wake up in the morning, you have to look for a container. Urinate to eat inside that container. By 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., that's your first urine that you pass out early in the morning. It is very, very powerful. You can use it to destroy, and you can use it to repair any negative energy. You can use it to bless yourself. You can use it to open ways for you, only if you follow the right way with your faith, because without faith, no eyes can see the Lord. Do it the right way, and this is going to work for you. When you urinate by 4:30 a.m. in the morning, you have to put it inside container and wait for another 4:30 a.m. the next day. That is when you are going to use this. And how are you going to use this? You are going to get 7 brooms. You count 7 pieces of brooms. That is what you are going to use for this cleansing. Then on the morning, the next morning, when you have urinated, it has stayed for 24 hours. Use that urine. Pray over it. Say your intention. Make your enchantment. Tell God in heaven that this through your urine, that any human being on earth used to urinate. Any man, any woman, knowingly or unknowingly, from your paternal side, from your maternal side, from your foundation, that has assigned the spirit of cobwebs in your life in order to withhold your speed, in order to cause blockages, in order to cause disappointment, in order to cause failure, that today you are using your urine and you are sanctifying your environment with this 7 stick of broom, that you sanctify this home and you drive away negativities. You drive away negativities from your home today, and you welcome richness, you welcome abundance, you welcome peace, you welcome love, you welcome open doors. Use that urine and the 7 pieces of broom. Use it to spray the 4 edges of your house. Your sitting room, your parlor, your room, your bedroom, your toilet. Use the 7 pieces of broom. Soak it inside that broom and be using it to sanctify the place. You'll be using it at the end of the day. After doing that, you will see. If you normally experience cobwebs in your room, do this time to time. You can do it once in a week or twice in a week. Before you know it, that evil negativity, that man that has been assigning that thing for you, that evil negativity will disappear. And if you are suffering from cobwebs anywhere you go, you see cobwebs, you experience cobwebs, even when you are in the public, look at what you are going to do. You are still going to use that your early morning urine. Whenever you wake up in the morning, pray over your early morning urine. Call God's presence and call him for his deliverance, to contend with those who contended with you. After saying your intention, you know what you are going to use that early morning urine to wash your head, your forehead, wash it down to your face, wash your feet. Do this if it is very serious. As long as you do this, when doing it, be serious about it. Before you do it first day, second day, third day, you will not experience anything like cobwebs again in your life. Yes, go and try this recipe out. End the power of cobwebs, the power of delay, the power of stagnation, the power of backwardness by using your early morning urine to purify yourself, using your early morning urine to cleanse away negativities in your home. Go and try this out and come back with your testimony. At this junction, my friends, my family, my fans, I have come to the end of this video. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please, I am begging you in the name of God, do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get a notification. Give me a thumbs up on my video and comment on the comment section. My number still remains +23470 88136610. That is my number. If there is any spiritual assistance you want me to give to you, if there is anything you want me to do for you spiritually, or if there's any consultation you want me to look into your problem, your life issue, and your life torment, don't hesitate to call me on WhatsApp, as I am open to communication. Bye for now, and remain blessed. God bless you.